today we're making tasty and delicious shingara. As you can see, when you break into one of these, the bread is crunchy and nice and soft with a beautiful spicy and tasty filling. So let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients for the dough is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, for extra flavour 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of black seeds, and lukewarm water required. So we're adding our salt to our flour. We're just mixing the salt in. And now we're adding our oil. And we're putting in our ghee. And we're just going to rub that in the flour. Now we're putting in our black seeds. And we're going to combine it into a dough by adding bits of water. Don't add all your water at the same time. Make sure it's a little bit of a hard dough. Give it a good knead for 5 minutes. Now you're going to rest your dough for 10 minutes. For the filling, 2 boiled chopped potatoes and 2 boiled mashed potatoes, half a cup of boiled chana or chickpeas, 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, turmeric 1 teaspoon, a handful of coriander leaves, chopped green chilies to taste, salt to taste. So we're going to add oil to a pan and heat it up. Once it's heated up, add your chopped onions. Give them a little bit of mix in the oil. Now add your salt to your onions. And mix it in. And firstly, let your onions go a little bit of a light brown colour. Now add your ginger and garlic paste. Once the onions reach a bit of this colour, and mix that in. Now add chickpeas and chana. And mix that in as well. Now add in your spices and stir that in. Now add in your potatoes, both mashed and chopped, and mix that in. Now turn on a low flame and cook for 2 minutes. Now you're going to add in your green chilies and your coriander leaves and just mix that in. Everything is already cooked now. Now leave it to cool down. After 10 minutes, just give it a little bit of a knead. And then take it out. Take a bit of it out. Make sure you sprinkled a bit of flour on your board. Then split into pieces that you're going to roll. Now sprinkle some flour and roll out your dough. Now you're going to half it after you've got it this shape. And then you're going to dab a little bit of water on the edges. And then you're going to fold these two bits in, like this. Now after sealing it, you're going to take it out like this and open it up so you can place the filling inside. And then seal it with your fingers by flattening the edges. And that's completed. Then after, for a final touch, lift it up and then fold in both corners. Now we're going to fry these. Now we're going to deep fry it in hot oil. Now place your shingaras in. On a medium to low flame, fry until golden brown. Now we're just sprinkling some chaat masala. It tastes very nice with our shingaras. If you want to know how to make homemade chaat masala, check the link in the description. So here we have our beautiful and delicious shingara. You can use any sauce to eat this with. We just have yogurt here and use any salad. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.